How to create invoice document on Microsoft Excel app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create invoice document easy and fast in less than 1 minute on Excel. So all what you have to do, go to Excel app, go to the top corner on this new option and scroll down until you find invoice option. Now, and here is it right here. Now click on it after you find it, and here you go. Now from here you can edit all the informations easy and fast. And after you finish editing those informations, go to the top corner and click here and click save. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.